Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Tunbridge Wells and really excited to show you around this custom office, a bespoke office for a repeat client. We've done a huge project for them in Bromley many years ago, now down in Tunbridge Wells, and wanted something a bit smaller in this lovely garden, been fully finished and planting all completed by the garden designer. And this started out with trying to make it one of our J offices, but it just couldn't quite work with the size that they wanted. So we've gone with our standard 2.9 wide, but this is a special 3 metre deep. And as you can see, you've got full drop windows on the front, giving that extra light, and a half drop window on the side. So essentially we've kind of customised the J almost beyond that into what we would now deem as a bespoke building, but it's worked perfectly for them. But the anthracite colour under the 2.5 metres, working with this lovely garden design, it really has worked well. The desk onto the side here, which is why we've done the half drop window, integrated blinds throughout for privacy. This is a little bit looked over, so there is some privacy afforded by the integrated blinds. And this kind of size is more than a one-person office. So the client's actually saying she's going to put a kid's desk in there, just in that bit there, and just for now it's also just holding a little tent thing as well. So it's actually being used for a little bit of a storage, but an all year round insulated room used almost daily by the client when they're not going into London, and is going to be used for the family. At this kind of size, 3 metre by 2.9, so essentially 3 by 3 square, you can use it for much more than just an office. It becomes an additional space for the family to use. Okay, probably not sofas and TVs in there, but it is big enough for more than that use, and a little kid's den, man cave, whatever you want to use it for. So there you go. That's a 2.9 by 3 metre bespoke customised J, whichever you want to call it, here down in Tunbridge Wells. I hope that's of interest to you. If you need some extra space in your garden and you want something with quality, 10-year guarantee, and the insulations and the usability of an all year round room, then I'm sure we can help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you.